5 minus 2 times 5 minus 2 times 2. Welcome to your math challenge. Let's do this. The answer to our equation today, 18, but that would be incorrect. Let's try this again. So to be able to solve this equation, we first have to understand the order of our operations. That's PEMDAS. PEMDAS tells us that we first look at parentheses, then the exponents, then multiplication and division, then adding and subtracting. When we look at this equation, we first see parentheses that we have to handle. So that is 5 minus 2, which is going to give us 3. We bring the rest of this problem down. Now next, our parentheses are gone. There are no exponents, but I do see some multiplication that we have to handle. So over here we have -2 times 3, which is going to give us a -6. We'll bring down the rest of this problem. And again, we'll solve this multiplication. -6 times 2, which is going to give us a -12. We'll bring down that 5. And then the final step is 5 minus 12, which is going to give us -7. So the answer to our equation today, -7. Check those links below, pick up your very own math kit, and solve these problems right along with me.